Hello traders, good morning. Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to readyforex.com live Elliot Wave weekly analysis. Now inside this weekly analysis I am going to cover these currency pairs like Euro USD, Pound Dollar, USD, and so at the left hand side you can see a list of currency pairs. So before I start, first a disclaimer. Okay, the name of the game is to make money in forex trading, and I'm going to provide you two offers. Offer one is I do offer forex trading signals on a daily basis. So if you are interested to get daily forex trading signals, then they are available. Okay, and for those who are interested to learn forex trading, this is the offer for those who are interested in day trading, short-term trading or intraday trading, so to say. I do teach a sideways trading system, and I actually teach 3 to 4 different trading strategies. So this is one of them, and the link inside the description as well. And the offer is, if you want to, if you have some questions, you can only pay half of the fee, $190, and attend the first lesson online. And if you like what you get, then you can pay the remaining fee. So this is the offer for my traders, for my upcoming students. Okay, so that's the offer. Okay, and for those who are losing money or those who have any questions, then they need help, they can contact me via Skype Messenger. I'm available on Skype chat. Okay, and there are other ways and means to contact with me, to communicate with me. For example, you can send me an email. My website is readyforex.com. It is online since 2006, and I also have a Twitter profile and a Facebook page as well. Okay, so let's get started. Right now I do not have any open trade at the moment. Okay, so right now I do not have any open trade at the moment. Let me show you the trading account history, and this is the trading account history, and let me show you a detailed statement as well. Okay, this is my detailed forex trading account statement. Okay, and right now I do not have any open orders and working orders, and this is the equity curve. Okay, now let us take a look at some charts. Let's start with the euro dollar currency pair, and today is Saturday, June 24th, 2023. Okay, so I'm expecting a possible sideways price action, bullish running triangle, Elliott wave pattern, and market is probably going to resolve higher. I expect further upside, wave C corrective leg in coming trading days. Hello, Pavlo. Okay, let's take a look at your 4 hour time frame. You see, took out the uh, old swing low right here. Okay, and we got this uh, sideways price action. So to me, it's a sideways trend in euro dollar 4 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. The trend is actually kind of down in 1 hour chart of euro dollar currency pair, and the way I see, I think euro dollar is probably going to rise up more. I think 0.618 is the level that it is probably going to test it. So let me highlight this area. This would be a good area to look for a possible sell trade. Okay, right around this area over here in euro USD currency pair. So price action is probably going to rise up, and then it's most likely going to drop. Okay, so I expect a decline in euro dollar currency pair in 1 hour time frame. I think price is going to rise up a little bit, and then it is going to drop one more time. Okay, this is what I expect in euro USD currency pair. So the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level, the value is 1.0947. That's the level right there. Next, let us take a look at pound dollar currency pair. GBP USD currency pair, daily time frame. The trend is up in pound dollar currency pair. It's an uptrend. The support is present at 1.2307 price level. Okay, and I expect further upside in GBP USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 4 hour time frame. Price action is printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. To me, GBP USD pair trend looks up in 4 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. Now in 1 hour, I think price action is most likely going to move sideways. Okay, it's probably going to reach the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level, and then I expect a drop in price action in GBP USD currency pair. Okay, next let us take a look at US dollar yen currency pair. USD yen daily time frame, I expect further upside in USDJPY currency pair, and then I expect a possible top, and price action is probably going to drop to print bearish wave C zigzag corrective leg in coming trading days. Next, let us take a look at 4 hour time frame. Price action is printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. To me, USD yen pair trend looks up in 4 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. This was a possible buy trade setup. All of those who took a buy, they made profit, and we got an exact hit at 0.32% Fibonacci retracement level. The value was 142.74. Now the way I see, I think we have seen wave number 1, 2, 3, and wave 5. I think it's not over. I think price action is probably going to rise up more. Okay. Next, let us take a look at GBPJPY currency pair. GBPJPY currency pair daily time frame. It's an uptrend in GBPJPY currency pair, and I expect further upside in GBPUSD, GBPJPY currency pair, Japanese yen. Okay. And as far as the 1 hour is concerned, that was a buy trade setup, and we got a nice bullish breakout right here. So this was the analysis, and it did work. Price did go up. Okay, Next, let us take a look at what's next. Okay, what's next is the way I see, I think GBP JPY is most likely going to create some kind of a ending diagonal triangle type formation. So I think we should draw a support level. Um, let's take a look at the old swing low. So this is the most recent swing low over here. Okay, let me write it down. $181.21. That's the support level in 1 hour chart, and I expect further upside. But you need to be careful about buying, because I'm looking for the fifth wave on a smaller degree scale, on a smaller time frame, such as the daily chart. It's actually not a small chart, it's a daily chart, is a big chart, but if you compare it with weekly and monthly, then it's kind of a medium term chart. So I'm looking for a possible top in coming trading days in pound yen currency pair, and market is probably going to drop. It is going to provide us a bearish wave 4 leg. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting in pound yen. So the trend is up. I know it's an uptrend in 4 hour time frame. Price action just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. It's an uptrend, and it is an uptrend in 1 hour, but the way it's going up, it's not going to remain bullish forever. A time will come when it's going to turn around. uh, the buyers will run out of steam, and price action is probably going to print a top, and it is going to drop. So be careful for those who are interested to take a buy trade. Next, let us take a look at US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, USDCHF currency pair daily time frame. I think USDCHF is probably going to create a short-term bearish pullback to complete bearish wave 2 leg, and after that I expect bullish wave 3 impulse leg. Uh, some people might say we are going to get wave C. Well, in both cases, I still expect upside in USD CHF currency pair. Okay, as long as price action stays above the 0.8819. Okay, the question is, how do you measure the extended wave for wave 3? Well, there is a simple tool that we can use. It's called the Fibonacci expansion. So let's say we have seen this low, although there's no confirmation that we have seen a bottom over there, but let's assume it for a second that maybe we have seen a bottom. If that's the case, we can look for at least 1.618 Fibonacci expansion if it's a third wave. But if it's a wave C, then wave A, if assume that for a second, let's say this is wave A. Let's assume it. And this is wave B. So usually wave B, you do the measurement, and in that scenario, the wave A becomes equals to wave C. Okay, so let me also write it down. But this happens with corrective waves, usually with a zigzag. Okay, wave A becomes equals to wave C. Oh, you guys can't see it. Let's use a. Here's the formula, but it's a guideline. Usually that's what's happened most of the time. In case of wave 3, it should hit 1.382% or 1.618% Fibonacci retracement level. If it goes higher than that, then we can say that we are getting an extension or an extended third wave. If it goes above 1.618, so I would say greater than 1.618. Okay, fib expansion. Okay, if it goes above 1.6 minute, that's the extended. Okay, let's take a look at 4 hour time frame. It's a downtrend. Price action keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend going on in 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at 1 hour chart. In 1 hour time frame, the trend is down in USDCHF currency pair 1 hour time frame. And the way I see, I think price is going to create a short-term pullback at 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 0.8986. Okay, so this would be a possible sell trading chance to look for a sell trade, a short-term trade in USD CHF currency pair. What I'm saying is that USD CHF is probably going to drop. There is another Elliott wave count, an alternative Elliott wave count, which I do not want to discuss at this juncture. But okay, let's just discuss it. The thing is that maybe we are getting some kind of an expanded scenario, some kind of an expanded flat over here. Maybe this is wave A, this is a smaller wave A, B, and we get C. But this A wave is so much deep that it's a little bit hard to say that we are getting an expanded flat over. So I would consider a drop in USD CHF currency pair. Next, let us take a look at AUD USD currency pair. And for those who guys have came late, they can watch the recording of this live stream. Okay, I already covered the euro dollar, pound dollar, those currency pairs. Okay, AUD USD currency pair forecast is working. We got a nice false breakout right over there. This is how market fool traders. This is what exactly happened. And the market is full of false breakout. I'm going to show you two breakouts, not one, two breakout, double breakout. So let's see if you get it. Here it is. This one is a nice false breakout just to entice and attract and fool traders. It's a head fake, and then price simply reversed and went the other way. Okay, now here comes another one. Okay, this is how exactly people loses money. They lose their trading account, So the market is full of these kind of false breakouts, and you shouldn't know it. If you are really interested to make money in trading, you should know that market do create these kind of false breakouts. Okay, so I expect further drop in price action, probably wave Y, corrective leg in coming trading days in AUD USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at AUD USD currency pair 4-hour time frame. Price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in AUD USD currency pair in 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. The trend is down in 1-hour chart. Intraday resistance is present at 0.6744 price level. Right over here, we have a resistance in AUD USD currency pair. Okay, right here. So I think price action is just going to create a short-term pullback, and then I expect further drop in price action, bearish impulse wave 3 leg in coming trading days. Okay, next let us take a look at spot gold. Okay, gold, I expect further drop in price action. It's probably going to create bearish wave A. I think this is going to be a wave A, B, and C, bearish zigzag corrective Elliott wave pattern. That's what we are going to get it in coming trading days in spot gold. It's a downtrend. So this is what we're getting is the first leg, the wave A. Expect a second leg, wave C. Now wave A usually becomes equals to wave C. So here is the formula. Wave A equals wave C. Okay, so you are most likely going to get but first we need a pullback. Once the market completes the pullback, then we can do the measurement, and you can do the calculation, and you can project it that how far it's going to drop. But usually this is there are other formulas as well. This is just the guideline. It's not a hard and fast rule, but this is what happened most of the time. Okay, next let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. Price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend going on in euro dollar currency. Sorry, in spot gold currency in 4 hour. Now there was a triangle pattern right over here. Let's use a different color. This was a triangle A, B, C, D, and E over here, and then market started the decline. So I expect a bottom in upcoming trading days. Okay, so let me also write it down. Okay, I expect a bottom in coming days. I would say upcoming bottom right here. Let's use it 20. Okay, so I'm expecting a possible upcoming bottom right here. Okay, let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Price action is probably going to create a short-term pullback. Wave 2 at 0.648% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1945.70. And then I expect further weakness, further drop in price action in spot gold. Let me take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it took out the high, and I think this is going to be a possible false breakout right there. But do not just jump into the market. You need a trade setup, a trading strategy, some kind of a pattern which defines the entry, stop loss, and take profit level. Then you take a sell. Otherwise, just let it go. No need to take a sell in Bitcoin. If it turns around, if it starts the decline, you get a sell trigger, look for a trade. Otherwise, wait outside. Okay, let's take a look at 4-hour time frame. Price action just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. So to me, it's an uptrend going on in Bitcoin versus United States dollar pair. Okay, I think I have covered most of the currency pairs. I hope let's see. Oh, Euro AUD. There was a request about the Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, here it is. Daily time frame, downtrend in daily chart, 1.6786. That's the price level. And the way I see, price is going to create a short-term pullback over here to complete the bullish wave X. After that, I expect further drop in price action in coming trading days in Euro AUD currency pair. As far as the trading is concerned, look for a pullback at 0.236% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1.6228. As long as price action stays above 1.6179 support level, it is an uptrend in 1 hour chart of Euro AUD currency pair. Okay, this is the end of today's session. If you guys have any questions about the trading, you can visit my website, check out my website, readyforex.com, and I gave you guys the offer. You can also, contact me if you want to do a live chat with me. Okay, here's a question, and for AUDCAD. Okay, AUDCAD. Okay, let's cover the AUDCAD. Let's see if I have AUDCAD. Okay, I do have it. It's a mess over here. I haven't updated this chart quite a while. Well, let's see what's going on. It seems to me the way it's falling down. Let's do the analysis. Okay, this looks like to me kind of a flat over here, then some kind of a double or triple. Do you have a Discord? I use Skype Messenger, and it is available for free. I mean, if you want to do a live chat with me, you want to contact me, the live chat is available via Skype Messenger. Link inside the video description, or you can go to my website, go to the contact us page, and from there you can contact with me. Okay. Okay, let's do a quick review. The time is actually running out at my end, so let's take a quick look at AUD CAD currency pair. As far as the daily is concerned, I think price action is going down. This looks like to me a possible sideways pattern. Wave A over here. Okay, and this is going to be some kind of wave B. Expect a sideways pattern. You see, try to test it over here, failed. Another false over here, and you know, it starts the drop. So the way I see, I think it's going to create a short-term bottom, and it is going to rise up. More questions I am getting. Anyways, let's me first cover the AUD CAD currency pair. So right over here, I'm expecting a drop in AUD CAD currency pair. I expect wave C to the downside. Here comes the wave C over here. Okay, if you take a look at 4-hour time frame, it's a nice downtrend going on. Price action just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. So to me, there's a downtrend going on. It's like kind of a, a stair steps going on, lower swing highs and lower swing lows. So it's a downtrend in AUD CAD currency pair. Let's take a look at 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame looks quite oversold. We got multiple, consecutive bearish candlesticks. I think we need to wait for a pullback first before we jump into the market. So look for a possible pullback somewhere around the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level before you look for a sell trade. Somewhere over here. Okay. Okay, USDJPY is a sell or not? Time frame says selling causes eating profit if not, right? Yes, it is. So you take a look at USDJ. I already covered the USD Yen currency pair, but Alexander, just for you, let's take a look at USD Yen again. That was a buy trade. Okay, all of those who took a buy trade, they made profit, they made money. Okay, so hopefully you also took a buy. That was a buy trade. I think it is still an uptrend. I do expect a top, but this does not mean that you just take a jump into the market with a sell trade. You need to wait for a setup. Okay, I'm going to end today's session, and that's it for the time being from my side. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and bye-bye.